In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly upload and share your Zoom recordings using Google Drive. If you've ever felt overwhelmed after a productive Zoom session, wondering how to ensure your valuable content is accessible, then this guide is just for you. First off, let's discuss locating that Zoom recording. Once you've wrapped up a meeting, your recording can be found in one of two locations depending on your setup. For those who have opted for local recording, your file will typically be stored directly on your computer in the default folder, which is usually under Documents and then Zoom. However, if you've opted for cloud storage, it will be saved on Zoom's cloud server. To find it, head over to the Zoom web portal and log in with your credentials, then navigate to the Recordings section. If you're working with a cloud recording, make sure to download it to your computer before proceeding. Now that you've identified and retrieved your recording, our next move is to open Google Drive. Go ahead and access Google Drive through your browser and be sure you're logged in with your Google account. This is your go-to hub for organizing and storing files online, making it a perfect choice for managing your Zoom content. Once you're in Drive, it's time to upload your precious recording. Start by clicking on the bright plus new button found at the top left corner of the Drive interface. From the drop-down menu, select File Upload. This is where you'll hunt for your Zoom recording on your computer. It's typically saved as an .mp4 file, which is a versatile format for video content. After selecting the file, the upload process will begin. Patience is key here. Allow the upload to finish completely to ensure there's no corruption or file errors later. If you're someone like me who enjoys a tidy digital workspace, consider taking a moment to organize your recording. You can easily create a new folder within Google Drive titled Zoom Recordings. By moving your file into this folder, you not only enhance accessibility, but also streamline future searches, saving you time and hassle. The final, and perhaps most rewarding step, involves sharing your recording, allowing others to benefit from the insights and information captured. To do this, simply right-click the file you've uploaded and select Share from the menu. A pop-up window will appear, giving you a couple of sharing options. You can input specific email addresses for private sharing, a convenient choice for teamwork or confidential materials. Alternatively, you might choose to modify the access setting to anyone with the link, which is excellent for broader distribution. Determine the level of permissions you wish to grant. For most scenarios, viewer access suffices, ideal for clients or students. Once everything is set up, copy the share link and send it off to anyone who needs it. And there you have it, a straightforward method to ensure your Zoom recordings are efficiently stored and shared using Google Drive.